Unleash your fishing adventure with Sougayilang Combos. Imagine landing your dream catch while effortlessly filming the moment. With the Sougayilang Fishing Rod Combos, you're not just fishing, you're creating legendary stories. Portable, durable, and sleek, this combo is crafted for those who crave adventure both on and off the water. Built from high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass, the telescopic rod is lightweight yet unyielding in rough conditions. Its SIC ceramic guide rings ensure smooth casting and durability, no matter how tough the waters. This combo isn't just a tool, it's your ultimate fishing companion. The spinning reel boasts 13+1 corrosion-resistant ball bearings and a powerful 5.5 to 1 gear ratio for ultra-smooth performance. With an interchangeable handle, ergonomic EVA knob, and aerospace-grade aluminum spool, it's designed to handle any challenge, saltwater or freshwater. Compact and travel-ready, this kit fits easily into a backpack or car trunk. Whether at a serene lake or a choppy shore, the carrier bag and versatile accessories have you covered. Fish anytime, anywhere, with confidence and ease. Don't wait to upgrade your fishing experience. Click below to get your Sougayilang Fishing Rod Combo today. Let every trip become a story worth telling, and every cast bring you closer to your next great catch. Adventure awaits, grab yours now. If you want to order, click the link in the description below.